and breeds in the lungs, causing chronic inflammation. In serious cases, the lung fluke is deadly. Once inside the host, the parasite burrows through the body's tissues in search of its breeding grounds, the lungs.
Once the parasite makes its way into the lung, it has everything it needs to reproduce. It has oxygen, it has nutrients, it has a nice warm environment, and it even has a way of getting its eggs out into the environment in an easy way.
The fluke causes inflammation in the host's lungs, making the host cough up blood that is laden with parasitic eggs. The egg-laden blood is re-swallowed and passed out of the body in the feces.
So for these organisms, reproducing in the lung is a brilliant strategy. Lung flukes have several intermediate hosts, and at every stage they're getting closer to the definitive host where they're going to be able to sexually reproduce. And in this case, the definitive host is a human.
First, the lung fluke attacks a freshwater snail. Once inside the snail, it grows into a tadpole-like larvae. Then the larvae invade a second host, often a crustacean. If the crustacean is eaten raw, the larvae will enter their new human host. In about 30 days, the adult lung flukes start to mate in the human lung.
Part of this parasite's life cycle involves getting from the gut to the lungs. If it takes a wrong turn and ends up in the spinal cord, you can get paralyzed. If it turns and goes into the heart, you can have sudden death.